Hi, so this video is a meeting for fourth graders, and it's going to be about prepositional phrases, okay? You'll notice in your take-home packets that I gave you this worksheet. It's actually 3 worksheets in one. Prepositional phrases and their objects. We're going to talk about prepositional phrases that act as adjectives and prepositional phrases that act as adverbs. So after watching this video, hopefully you'll gain a little bit more insight into the best way to look at these. If you have any questions after this, please reach out to me on Microsoft Office. I'd be happy to answer anything. So real quick, let's go over this. Prepositions are words that combine with other words to form phrases. We know some of the prepositions that we've already talked about, and I will show you a list here. I'll actually put this online for you as well in SharePoint. But we have words like at, in, of, under, with, without. We also have prepositions that are more than one word, like by means of, instead of, in spite of, in addition to. Those are called compound prepositions if it's more than one word. So prepositions usually appear at the beginning of prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases are made up of prepositions, nouns, and modifiers that add information about time or place in a sentence. That's the purpose of a preposition. It's going to add information about the time and place in a sentence. So prepositional phrases can function as adjectives or as adverbs. Let's start with adjectives. Let's talk about that. So to have a prepositional phrase as an adjective, let me show you an example. Now ignore this bottom sentence for now. We're looking at the top sentence, okay? The tulips in the garden were red, purple, and yellow. Our prepositional phrase is in the garden, okay? So as an adjective prepositional phrase, an adjective describes or modifies a noun. So as we can see, the phrase in the garden is referring to the tulips. It's telling us where the tulips are, where they were. So this would be considered an adjective prepositional phrase. Okay, let's look at an adverb prepositional phrase. It's going to be at the bottom one, the bottom sentence right here. So an adverb, what an adverb does is it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So in the sentence, she walked to the store, the preposition is to, the prepositional phrase is to the store, and it's an adverb because it's telling us where she walked, okay? So she walked where? To the store. That is how you tell whether or not it's an adverb or an adjective prepositional phrase. The tulips are where? In the garden. She walked where? To the store. So that would be how you would tell that. You do have there's another sheet on there about prepositional phrases and their objects. So let's touch on that real quick. In most prepositional phrases, a noun acts as the object of the preposition. Okay, so the object of the preposition in each one of these is going to be a noun. So, for instance, in the garden, well, the object of the preposition is going to be garden. The object of the preposition unto the store is going to be store. An object that completes the meaning of a preposition is called the object of a preposition. So, what it told us is that store completes the meaning of this preposition. To where? Store. Garden completes the meaning of this preposition. In where? The garden. So in most cases, it's going to be easy to find the object of the preposition. You're just going to follow that preposition to where that prepositional phrase is completed. So what you're going to do is your first sheet is going to be, you're going to underline the prepositional phrase. Now, again, this is prepositional phrases and their objects. You're going to underline the prepositional phrase. You're going to circle the preposition, and you're going to write the object of the preposition on this line, like they've done for you there. The other worksheet, prepositional phrases and adjectives, you're going to underline the entire prepositional phrase, and you're going to circle the word that it describes, okay? So what this is doing is it's helping you to realize that these prepositional phrases function as adjectives, because what it's describing, it's giving more information about the noun. Your final sheet is going to be prepositional phrases as adverbs, okay? So what it's going to do, these are going to look obviously different, but you're going to underline the prepositional phrase. So look for that preposition, follow it till it's object, and then you're going to circle the verb that it's describing. So this is going to, you're going to have to look, you're going to have to ask yourself questions. He goes to grandma's house. When? After school. He goes when? He goes after school. So after school is describing when he goes. All right? So this would function as an adverb prepositional phrase. So that's how you do those sheets. If you need more help or you just need more examples, feel free to reach out to me. We could even do like another little video or something. I wanted to give this because I saw that not everyone was getting it, so I wanted to make sure that y'all do get these. Feel free to work on those and reach out if you need any help. All right, guys, thank you.